Welcome all friends, all Indians, all the owners of the nation. The Supreme Court and the public interest litigation is nothing but the soul of the Constitution. Just central government has applied in the Supreme Court that there should not be any public interest litigation. So for your kind information, I have to state that the constitutional role of the Supreme Court is under Article 32 and 140 or 142 of the Indian Constitution. The Supreme Court is the ultimate protector of the people's fundamental rights. Its three foundational pillars are justice, equality and liberty. Nyaya, Samta, Swatantra. And its apex is public interest. Means whole idea behind this Supreme Court, what its aim, that is public interest, and central government is going to withdraw that public interest, means a body without soul. What central government is trying to do? So we want that there should not be any change with the public interest. You can see that the pyramid is based on the principle of energy conservation, that Newton's law of energy. That is, energy is neither created nor destroyed, it can be converted from one form to another. So on that pyramid technique, the constitution is based on three principles, fundamental principles. We call it as justice, equality and liberty. And what is apex, what is aims and at last objective of these three principles? That is public interest, janahit, lokahit, we can call it. So, public interest as the soul of supreme objective, where the executive and legislature fall short, only the Supreme Court has been granted the discretionary power by the Constitution to intervene the public interest. So that public interest removal is against the law, against the Constitution of India. Public interest litigation, the soul of judiciary. The concept of PIL was initiated after 1980 by Justice P.N. Bhagwati and Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer to bring the common man to the doors of justice. Just a body has a soul, the judiciary has public interest litigation. To remove it is to take the life out of the body. You can consider Supreme Court, can you consider Supreme Court as a body without soul? It is to take the life of the body. What remains then? It will be only a dead body. I am requesting respected central government, respected our Prime Minister, our Honorable President of India, our Honorable Chief Justice of India, are you going to make a Supreme Court as a dead body? If there is not any public interest, then what is the duty of the Supreme Court? What is the aims and objectives of the Supreme Court? It will become only dead judicial dead body. We don't want that. So we are requesting our central government, please have a concentration on this issue very seriously. The central government's proposal and its consequences are, through Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, the central government argued before 9-judge bench that there is no need of public interest litigation. How you are saying? And who is Mr. Tushar Mehta? He is government servant. A single government servant which is appointed by central government officials. He is not Indian. Then how he can express his thoughts or how he can implement his idea as an Indian constitutional idea? He is not a constitution. He is not India. There are 140 crores of people for which, to whom this constitution is granted by our respected Bharat Ratna, Param Pujya Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. What was his central idea? His central idea was every person of this India get proper justice, proper equilibrium, proper freedom in all terms, in terms of fundamental rights too. So, the central government proposal and its consequence is not proper, are not constitutional. Fundamental rights, ordinary citizens will not able to approach the court for the poor, tribals, environment or against the corruption. So, these public interest litigation is the way to have a justice. That's Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's stand. He called Article 32 the soul of the constitution. Means you are going, what central government is going to do? Just you are going to stretch out the soul of Indian constitution? No, this is not fair. This is against the law. This is against the constitution. This is against the people of the India. So, conclusion, removing PIL, rendering the constitution, the principle that the peoples are supreme. The peoples are supreme. And the constitution exists for the people was affirmed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and the Constituent Assembly. If the word public interest is removed from the judicial processes, the remaining system will be like a dead body. I am requesting our Honorable Prime Minister, respected Narendra Modi sir, do you want to do our constitutional body, our supreme apex court as a dead body? Our judicial system as a dead body? Do you want that? We don't want that. We don't want that. Because India is a great country. India is guide for all world. India is very respected for all world peoples. And you are going to make it dead? This is nonsense. Therefore, public interest litigation is not merely a legal remedy. It is the life, means public interest litigation is not merely a legal remedy. It is the lifeblood of India's democratic constitutional process. Any attempt to strike at the lifeblood, it is direct assault on the core of constitution, on the citizen fundamental rights, and on the principle, we the people. It is duty of every aware citizen. I am calling to all citizens of India that they are owner of the nation by the constitution, by law. I appeal to all advocates. I appeal all judges to condemn any attempt to render the Indian judiciary lifeless. Jai Hind means Jai Bhim means Jai Gurudev. हम हो पुजारी तत्व के गुरुदेव के आदेश के नित नेम के सतप्रेम के सतकर्म के सतधर्म के हो चीड़ झूठी राह की अन्याय की अभिमान की सेवा करन को दास को परवाह नहीं हो जान की. Dr. Baba Sahab said, this is slogan, this is lines of Rashtra Sant Shri Tukadoji Maharaj. And Dr. Baba Sahab Ambedkar expect that every citizen of India as owner of the nation, and he must receive all the fundamental rights and all the fundamental necessities and the powers which has been given by Constitution to people of India. That is nothing but power to the people. I am requesting central government, do not do like this. Do not make this constitution dead. Do not make this supreme judicial system dead. Do not expense this whole constitutional body without soul, without प्राण. क्योंकि ये हमारा भारतीय संविधान जिसमें बसा है विश्वपूज्य डॉक्टर भारत रत्न डॉक्टर बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर का प्राण, वो है हमारा प्रिय पवित्र प्रवीण भारतीय संविधान. So we request our government of India, we request our honorable President of India, we request our honorable Prime Minister of India, we request our Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India, please have a notice, please save our India, please save our India, please save our India. Jai Hind, Jai Bhim, Jai Gurudev.